Hello and thank you for choosing Wildfire. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money and make payments between your Wildfire accounts, loans, and shares in the Digital Plus mobile banking for Android devices. Once you're in your mobile banking account app, tap the Move Money icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like two arrows facing opposite directions. This will take you to the Move Money screen. From here, select the Make a Transfer option. On the Make a Transfer page, you'll be able to transfer money between your shares and accounts and make loan payments. To start a transfer or payment, select the account you wish to transfer money from in the From box by selecting it, opening a drop-down of all of your accounts. Then select the account or loan you want to send money to in the To box. After selecting the accounts to transfer money between, enter the amount you want to transfer in the Amount field. Next, select the frequency you'd like the transfer to occur using the Frequency and Transfer Date fields. Whether it be just a one-time transfer or you'd like to set up recurring transfers, you can choose how often you want the transfer to occur and set up transfers to occur weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Once you have everything all set, tap the blue Continue button at the bottom of the screen, taking you to the Review Payment screen. Here you can double check your transfer, ensuring it's set to go as you would like. If you change your mind about the transfer, tap the back arrow at the top left of the screen to take you back to the Make a Transfer screen. If everything looks good, tap Confirm and Transfer button to complete your transfer or payment. And just like that, your payment will be posted. And there you have it. If you have any other questions, please call us or stop by one of our branch locations and one of our friendly representatives will assist you. Thank you for watching.